are using Teamcenter Easy Plan, of course, for our manufacturing planning. We had a big challenge from moving this from MPP, the rack-based system, into our Easy Plan. The old users know the MPP very well and they liked all these functionalities. With this new Easy Plan, active workspace-based, browser-based environment, task-oriented, it is really easy for them to adopt quite quickly. Especially the onboarding is really easy, and for us as IT, of course, that it's easier to maintain, deploy. For the first time, we moved an existing solution from the rack into our new active workspace environment. And here we are really stick to the out of the box. So no customizations anymore, and this is where we are really proud of. So we are using the tool as intended. If we are on an active workspace-based platform, you just completely remove all these client installation stuff you normally handle on the user side. So this effort is definitely completely gone then. And by using the tool as intended and remove all the customization required in the previous UI, we are also having a big impact into upgrade cycles, as we don't have to maintain and to upgrade our custom code. We are seeing an increasing of the solutions Siemens is providing for AI, and we are starting already to adopt it. So, for example, the operational co-pilot, of course, we are already operating in our system, but also the Teamcenter AI chat or NX co-pilot, we are validating and using already. For example, we will get in future this agent concept. The AI will really helping you executing your work. You will review the content the AI is generating for you, which of course is completely decreasing the time you need and increasing your productivity and the productivity of the planner. I think for us in the future, of course, the AI will support us in planning multiple scenarios, finding the real optimum, making decisions. If something happens in the already running production, you can use the possibility of AI to tell me, okay, what options do I have and what is the one I want to choose? We are really interested in that, and we are really thinking that it will take us a huge advantage, especially in the production area, in the production planning. My recommendation for customers who want to transition from the old MPP to the new Active Workspace Easy Plan solution is really to team up, be curious, having this spirit of change, coming together, just prototype, try out new things with your data, feel the new world, and then define what is the best process for you and what do you need. And this is how we got it, and this is how we decustomizing our existing processes. The software itself always enhance and give us new possibilities, new functionalities, and we are seeing that the functionalities are already, covered. So most of the things we need are already in the system. So right now we really have the chance to adapt it.